Hello students, how are you all? Myself Sangeeta Jain representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today we will discuss decimals, addition and subtraction. Students, in decimal numbers, addition and subtraction done in the same way as for whole numbers. जैसे हम whole numbers में addition subtraction करते हैं वैसे ही हम decimal numbers का भी addition और subtraction करते हैं. You keep in your mind how we put decimal in addition and subtraction. Suppose we have 3520.78 and 927.3. Students, when you add these two numbers, जब आपको इनको प्लस करना है, that time what you will do कि first you convert into like decimals. You keep in your mind always कि आप addition करें या subtraction करें, आपको हमेशा इनको सबसे पहले like decimal में convert करना है. And you know how we convert into like decimals? You put 0 in the extreme right position in the decimal part. First you count number of digits. डेसिमल पार्ट में कितनी नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स हैं, जैसे यहाँ पर 2 थी और यहाँ पर 1 डिजिट थी. सो लाइक डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए यहाँ पर भी आपके पास में कितने डिजिट्स होनी चाहिए, 2 डिजिट्स. एंड वी कन्वर्ट दिस बाय पुटिंग 0 इन द एक्सट्रीम राइट पोजिशन इन द डेसिमल पार्ट. नाउ यू अरेंज दीज नंबर्स इन कॉलम्स 3520.78 एंड 927.30. Understood? Now add in the simple way. जैसे हम addition करते हैं 8 plus 0 8, 7 plus 3 10, 1 carry over. Now first you put decimal here, then 7 plus 1 8 and this is 4, 9 plus 5 14, 4 1 carry over and this is 4. स्टूडेंट्स अंडरस्टूड कि हमने कैसे एडिशन किया है. बिल्कुल सिंपल सा वे है इसको ऐड करने का, इसमें कुछ नहीं करना है. यू अरेंज इन प्रॉपर वे इन द कॉलम्स. नाउ वी विल टेक क्वेश्चन 1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 7.1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. We'll discuss A part 60.28 and 71.43. Now students, first you look, these are like decimals because we have 2 digits in decimal part and here we have also 2 digits in decimal part. Now we arrange them in columns 60.28 and 71.43. Now add both the numbers from extreme right position. We will start addition. 8 plus 3 11, 1 carry over, 2 plus 1 3 plus 4 7. Now put decimal here, 0 plus 1 1, 6 plus 7 13. This is the answer. So 60.28 plus 71.43 is equals to 131.71. Now students, we will take one more question. Now we will discuss E part of question number 2. 2104.68 521.29 and 173.8. Now students, first you check these are like decimals or not. We have 2 digits after decimal point, we have 2 digits after decimal point and we have only 1 digit after decimal point. So first we convert into like decimal, and for to convert into like decimal we put 0 in the extreme right position of the decimal part. Understood? So we put 0 here. First we check the number of digits. वी हैव 2 डिजिट्स हियर, वी हैव 2 डिजिट्स हियर, तो यहाँ पर भी आपके पास में कितनी होनी चाहिए डेसिमल पार्ट में? 2 डिजिट ही होनी चाहिए. नाउ अरेंज दैम इन कॉलम्स. 2104.68, now 521.29 and 173.80. Now add the numbers. 9 plus 8 17, 7 1 carry over, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 8 17, 7 1 carry over. We put decimal here first. Now add remaining numbers. 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9, 7 plus 2 9 plus 0 9 and 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7 and this is 2. This is the answer. When we add 2104.68 plus 521.29 plus 173.80 is equals to 2799.77. Understood students? Now how we perform subtraction? Subtraction is also done in the same way as for whole numbers. जैसे हम whole numbers को करते हैं वैसे ही हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें subtraction करेंगे. Question number 3. A part of this question number 3 is subtract 39.26 from 50.04. Now students, आपको पता है कि from के बाद वाला नंबर बड़ा होता है, it is greater. So first we write 50.04 and subtract 39.26. Students, first we look here, both are like decimal because we have 2 digits in both the number. So no need to convert into like fraction because already these numbers are like. Now subtract 4 minus 6 is not possible to subtract. We borrow from 0. 0 से हम borrow कर सकते हैं क्या? No. Again we have 0 here. So we come at 5. Now it becomes 4. It becomes 10. Now we borrow from 10. It becomes 9 and it becomes 10. Now again we borrow from 10. It becomes 9 and it becomes 14. Now 14 minus 6 is 8. Now 9 minus 2, 7. Again we put here decimal because we have here decimal. Now 9 minus 9, 0 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So when we subtract 50.04 minus 39.26 is equals to 10.78. Now we will take one more question from question number 3, that is F part. F part is 12.029. F part from question number 3. 12.029 from 134.72. Now students, first we check these are like decimals or unlike decimal. So we have 3 digits after decimal point and we have 2 digits after decimal point. So first we convert into like decimals by putting 0 in the extreme right position in the decimal part. So we have 7 2 and we put 0 here. Now these numbers are like decimals. Now we subtract फ्रॉम के बाद वाला नंबर बड़ा होता है, सो फर्स्ट वी राइट 134.720 and after that we write 12.029. Now subtract these two numbers. Now 0 minus 9 is not possible to subtract, so we borrow from 2, it becomes 1 and it becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is 1 and 1 minus 2 is not possible to subtract again, we borrow from 7, it becomes 6 and it becomes 11. Now 11 minus 2, 9 and 6 minus 0 is 6. Now first we put decimal point. Now we subtract whole part of this. 4 minus 2 is 2 and 3 minus 1 is 2 and this is 1. So when we subtract 134.720 and 12.029 is equals to 122.691. Now students, we will do simplification. How we simplify the decimal numbers? In simplification we have more than one sign, means addition, subtraction, division और multiplication, इनमें से कुछ भी हो सकता है, but we will discuss only addition and subtraction in this part. So we have two signs, addition and subtraction, and we follow BODMAS rule to solve the simplification. And you also know, according to BODMAS rule, we first add the numbers, after that we subtract the numbers. We take question number 4, simplify. Now A part of this, 71.26 plus 40.79 minus 31.8. Now students, look, first if we check if these are unlike decimal, first we convert into like decimal. Look here, we have two digits and one digit only. So maximum number of digits are 2. So we put 0 in the extreme right position to convert into like decimals. Now according to BODMAS rule, first we add these two numbers, after that we subtract 31.80 from the result of these two numbers. So 71.26 plus 40.79. This is the step 1. 6 plus 9, 15, 5, 1 carry over, 3 plus 7, 10, 1 carry over. First we put decimal here, 1 plus 1, 2 and 7 plus 4, 11. Now when we add these two numbers, we get 112, means 112.05. Now we subtract 31.80 from 112.05. Now in the second step, 112.05 minus 31.80. You arrange according to their place values, you keep in your mind always. 5 minus 0, 5. Now 0 minus 8 is not possible to subtract, we borrow from 2, it becomes 1 and it becomes 10. 10 minus 8, 2. Now put decimal here, 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 3 is not possible to subtract, again we borrow from 1, it becomes 0 and it becomes 11. Now 11 minus 3, 8 and 0, no need to write here 0. In the whole part, you know, when we add put 0 in the left side of the whole part, it remains the same, means उसकी value change नहीं होती है. So what is the final answer? 80.25 is the final answer. We take one more question from question 4th. 134.88 minus 98.075 and minus 6.27. Now in this we have two numbers as a negative and one number as a positive. 134.88 minus 98.075 minus 6.27. Now students, first check these are like decimals or unlike decimals. These are unlike decimals because we have 2 digits here, 3 digits here and 2 digits here after decimal point. So first we convert into like decimal by putting 0 in the decimal part. So we write 0 here and we write 0 here. Now we have 3 digits in each and every number after decimal. So now students, because these numbers have negative sign, so first we add these two numbers but we put माइनस साइन. सेम साइन वाले नंबर्स को हम क्या करते हैं, एक साथ अरेंज करते हैं या प्लस करते हैं. जैसे आपके क्लास में कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ने येलो टी शर्ट पहना है और किसी ने रेड टी शर्ट पहना है और आपको उनको काउंट करना है, तो येलो टी शर्ट वाले स्टूडेंट्स को एक साथ काउंट करोगे और रेड टी शर्ट वाले स्टूडेंट्स को एक साथ काउंट करोगे और फिर आपको बताना है कि कौन सा कम है या ज़्यादा है, तो आप क्या करोगे, सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे. इन द सेम वे वी डू सिंप्लीफिकेशन इन दिस सम ऑल्सो. तो नेगेटिव साइन वाले जो नंबर्स हैं उनको एक साथ ऐड करके लिखोगे एंड देन वी हैव ओनली वन नंबर हियर, so we subtract this number and this number. Get it? Now write 134.880. Now 98.075 and 6.270. Add these two numbers. लेकिन साइन कौन सा आएगा यहाँ पर, माइनस का ही आएगा क्योंकि माइनस साइन वाले ही हैं दोनों इन नंबर्स. 5, 4, 3, 4 एंड 10. एडिशन क्या है, सिंपल एडिशन. 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 7, 14, 4, 1 carry over, 3, we put decimal here. Now 8 plus 4, 8 plus 6, 14, 4, 1 carry over and 9 plus 1, 10. Subtract 104.345. Now again 134.880 minus 104.345. Now 0 minus 5 is not possible to subtract. Again we borrow from 8. It becomes 7 and it becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 4, 3, 8 minus 3, 5, we put decimal here, 4 minus 4, 0, 3 minus 0, 3 and 1 minus 1, 0. Now what is the answer? 30.535 is the final answer. Now students, we take some word problems based on subtraction and addition of the decimal numbers. From exercise 7.2 we will discuss first question. Question number 1. Question number 1 is Tarika bought 2.750 kilogram of apples, 1.250 kilogram of grapes, 3.500 kilogram of mangoes. How many kilograms of fruit did Tarika buy? अब उसने टोटल कितना फ्रूट्स परचेज किया है. बाय मीन्स क्या होता है, खरीदना. तो उसने कितना फ्रूट्स खरीदा है, तो टोटल के लिए क्या करते हैं हम, प्लस करते हैं. तो सिंपल एडिशन और सिंपल स्टेटमेंट्स यू राइट बिकॉज वी हैव वर्ड प्रॉब्लम है, तो सिंपल से स्टेटमेंट्स आपको लिखने होंगे. सो फर्स्ट वी राइट वेट ऑफ एप्पल्स is equals to 2.750 kilogram. Now weight of grapes is equals to 1.250 kilogram, and weight of mangoes is equals to 3.500 kilogram. Now students, total weight आपको फाइंड करना है, so you write total weight is equals to, अब टोटल के लिए आप क्या करोगे, प्लस करोगे, 0 + 0 + 0, 0, 5 + 5 0 + 0, 10, 5 + 5 10, 10 से क्या आएगा यहाँ पर 0, 1 कैरी ओवर, 7 + 1 8, 8 + 2 10, 10 + 5 15, 5 1 कैरी ओवर, 2 + 1 3, 3 + 1 4, 4 + 3 7. वेट है इसलिए आप मेजर किस में करोगे, किलोग्राम्स में. नाउ hence 7.5 kilograms of fruits were bought by Tarika. Understood students? Now question number 4. In question number 4, a carpenter bought a 0.9 meter long log of wood. He chopped off 0.7 meter of it. How much log of wood is left? Students, in this word problem, उस कारपेंटर के पास में क्या है, एक लॉग है. लॉग मीन्स लकड़ी का जो एक गट्ठा बोलते हैं, ठीक है, वो है, और उसमें से उसने यूज कर लिया कितना, 0.7 मीटर. अब आप उस कारपेंटर के पास में कितना बचा है, लेफ्ट मीन्स क्या होता है, बचना. तो जहां पर भी आपको लेफ्ट दिया हुआ होता है तो आपको ये देख करके ही पता लगा लेना चाहिए कि इसमें हमें सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ we subtract 0.9 meter from 0.9 meter and 0.7 meter. Now write the statements. Question number 4. Length of the log of wood is equals to 0.9 meter. Now log chopped off is equals to 0.7 meter. You arrange these numbers according to columns or their place values, otherwise you perform in the next step. ठीक है, यदि यहाँ पर आपके पास में स्पेस नहीं होता है तो आप यहाँ पर भी इसको फिर से लिख करके और इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हो. नाउ रिमेनिंग वुड इज इक्वल्स टू, सब्ट्रैक्ट बोथ द नंबर्स, माइनस करोगे आप इनको, 9 - 7 2, we put decimal here and 0 - 0 0. Remaining wood is 0.2 meter. Now hence 0.2 meter log of wood is left. Hope you understood students how we perform addition and subtraction in decimal numbers. Thank you. Have a nice day.